Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to save your favorite audio on an Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and after that we just need to find out which audio that we love. So how to find out the audio, we just need to go into this reel section by click this part. We just need to click it, and after that just scroll down and find out which audio that really good to you. And after you've found it, you just need to click the audio, and after that in this upper corner here there will be three symbols. You just need to go click the middle symbols or the middle button with this ribbon button. Just need to click it until the color change into white if you use dark mode, or it will be turned into black if you use a light mode. And after you're done, you just need to go back. And how to reach those audio, you just need to go into the profile, and after that go click this three small line, and after that go into the save. In a save, you just need to go into an audio. You can find the audio that you saved before. That's all the way how to save audio on the Instagram application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.